How to add Adblock on Chrome. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Now to add a ad blocker in your Chrome, it is basically very simple. So starting off, you can tap on your Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in your top right corner, you will see the three dot icon. Tap on it. After this, you can actually head over and hover on extension. There you will find the option of Visit Chrome Web Store. Tap on it. Now this will redirect you to your Chrome Web Store. In the extension and themes, you can type in Ad Blocker. Then tap on the search bar. After which you will find various of ad blocker that you can select from. Now as you can see, I already have an ad blocker. You can just click on any of the ad blocker that you want to, then click on Add to Chrome. After that, you can click on Add Extension. Once you do so, now this extension or the ad blocker will be added into your Chrome browser. To manage, you can just click on the extension tab, then over here you will find your ad blocker. You can just tap on the three dot icon and you can decide to pause on various site or all site as well. If you wish to remove it, you can easily do so by tapping on Remove from Chrome. So this is all for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.